And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Till the day my life is through, this I promise you.
Gonna repeat after me. I, Jason,
Well, just growing with him, and I'm looking for a day of love and happiness and dancing and fun.
Good time, celebration, and it's good energy. Like everybody feel a nice energy, and I mean, looking forward for that. I mean, more than anything else is just embody whatever love is. Yeah? So make person feel that vibe, connection with not only me and her, but family, the giant families, you know what I mean, and connection with earth. So even with the whole setting, it's more for now, so we connect with nature, connect with people, connect with humans. So that is a connection.
Of course, this is God ordained name. Amen.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the day. I just might want to move a little bit further away.
What?
Mr. Jason, I'm going to invite you, sir, to turn and face your bride. Go ahead,
In my life, baby, I just wouldn't be living at all.
And the deanery. Certainly, as my custom is, we're living in a day and age that marriage is viewed in the most negative of lights, and whenever two persons, one man, one woman, decide to get married, we want to commend them very highly. So I want all those who are standing around this morning just to put your hands together as we celebrate with Jason and the deanery. Come on, put your hands together, make some noise. Yes. Make some noise up in here. All right, thank you very much. Amen.
I will speak on the energy that's called Yin and Yang. It is Chinese Taoism and Taoism, religion and philosophy. However, I found one of the most ideal sections to elaborate on. And it spoke of the fact that Yin and Yang is not just the night and the day, but also the natural complementary forces, which speaks to nothing making sense without being with the right person, or nothing working without being in love and harmony. And today we're the personification and justification of this particular energy, which we call the sixth energy, Chi. Mr. and Mistress
Boy.
Jason Boyd.
Deanery.
Now, I want to introduce my friend here. Introduce us a bit. Blessed Lord.
Behold, I come quickly to reward every man and woman according to the work that he has done. Yes, I know, I know. I am the voice of the moon. Oh yes, I know. I am the voice of the moon. Is like a mirror reflecting what you do, and if you are smiling, she smiles back at you. So do unto others as you would have them do. So your days maybe many longer. And I no, I am the voice of the most yes, I know I am the voice of the most hear the echoes of the mountains. I hear the valley of the seas, the belly of the mothers. I hear the fathers flee. Starting today, a change must come. Starting today, a change must come. Listen to Mother Nature, the birds and the bees, the soul of the river, the songs of the trees. Starting today, a change. Learn to listen to each other, especially when you disagree. listen to each other, especially when you disagree. Creators of this future must celebrate diversity. Step by step we need each other. It's freedom guaranteed. For peace and justice to prosper, it needs you and me. Starting today, learn to listen to each other, especially when we disagree. Creators of this future must celebrate diversity. Step by step we need each other. It's freedom guaranteed. For peace and justice to prosper, it needs you and me. Starting today, a change must come. Very beautiful. Eli's Cup of Flowers. And recognized her in each other's names. Wow. I saw it. Yeah? Wow. So she did his name and he did her name. Yeah. Put your hands together for them. They're wonderful. Come on, put your hands together, make some noise for them. For entertainers as well. Blessings, blessings. Bring your body. Thank you. And turn the paint on it.
It is Yin.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. No, no, no.
Come on, give it up for Aisha Levy. Aisha Levy. Come on, clap for him, man. Clap for him. All right, so listen to music, a little something in the meantime. So Aisha Levy, here we go.
Aisha, you want to do something? You want to do something?
Alright, well, first I have to say, I am a speaker. So you should not be any problem there. Precisely. First, I really want to say, I'm very happy to see us all here. Despite the pandemic, despite the challenges, we are looking awesome today. We're taking the time out. So wonderful and that. And personally, it's not only an honor, but it is a privilege to meet you and stay in the Mrs. Moen. After Moen, Jason Moen, I've known that for more than half of my life, and consistently he has proven to be more than just that individual that you see. Consistently, his character has been, impeccable. And personally, I could speak on a number of things that I am confident that will be most useful to you going forward with it. But what I personally like to mention is how could I put it? I could say courageousness or determination, but at the other side of things we might say stubbornness. But let me say, Jason, despite his demeanor, despite his stature, is one of those persons who embody the idea of being little but tall out. If you know Jason and if you play soccer with him, for example, you will believe that even if Pele is on that other team, and this is Pele in 1974 World Cup, he will win. And you're surprised to say that he might score that goal that beat Pele's team. That's the kind of determination that he has exemplified, that has been personally a motivation to me, and that it has been an honor walking with him and just learning and understanding his growth, which has helped me personally tremendously. And so I'm confident that determination will serve you both tremendously. And as young people will maneuvering through, I'm sincerely confident you'll make a finals, and I'm supremely you will not be disappointed. I am also confident that just looking at you should not be. You are really is better off in that sense. But as I said, I won't keep us too long. But again, it is an honor, it is a privilege. Want to see you all, showing that support, to see you all out here, and more so to see you all looking so awesome. And congratulations, Dr. Boyd. Congratulations, Mrs.
Seriously, guys?
Yeah, well, I can't agree.
I'm not gonna. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, so I actually wrote something. Today, we're here to honor Daregha and Jason. As the bride's best friend, I do feel honored to be standing here on such an important day in your life. We have gone through so many stuff in life. I cannot imagine being anywhere else apart from on this special occasion celebrating it with you. Thank you. Yes, honey, you're welcome. long life, and I'm so happy that you have found someone to share that love with for the rest of your life. I do love you without knowing how, where, or from where it's coming from. I love you directly without problem or pride. I love you because I don't know any other way how to love you. And while I was actually thinking of what to say and jotting down my thoughts and so forth, I found this little poem that I'd actually like to read for both of you guys. My best gift to you doesn't fit in a box. It cannot be held back by barriers or locks. I wish you the blessings of a marriage filled with love, that God will watch over you from the heavens above. That you both would share feelings, whether happy or sad, and hold one another close through both good times and bad. I wish for a marriage of sunshine, unharmed by the rain. I wish for each loss that there will be a great gain. That as a couple you will learn as the years come and go, to find the sweetest of love comes from the seed that you sow. Today, we just want to celebrate with Daregha and Jason. Long life, all the best, happiness, and prosperity.
I speak no English and Alright, where should I start? Let me start. Yeah. By the way, let's start with the invoice, right? We usually go to the yard on Friday evening because the boss goes early on Friday evening, right? I'm not telling you, beer food there didn't be there.
Really?
You understand? Especially when she come from Maroon though. It's Maroon though. Yeah. She come and pineapple and things, you know? And I can tell you something, I've never heard them argue, quarrel. It's the way I say right now, I eat this. You understand? And I just want to stay like that. You understand? So I'm going to get a pineapple. I'm better, you understand? But as it come on to love, I know a whole heap of people that maybe feel themselves fall in love. I actually see, you know? I actually see it every day, you know? I see this man come up and I meet like I'm going to sweat. Yeah man. I'm making the things to these persons right here. You know, I'm sure that, you know, the creativity, the energy, you know, the love of the simple tone. Like, I wish me can show my kids, can show my family, can show my extended family, you know, what real love is by just using our lives as a real example, you understand? Yeah. And just make sure you treat her well now. Because love are one thing, but then there is respect. Respect is what binding people together. You understand? Yeah. So, as we move on from here, I just want you to use this day as your remembrance for love and respect. Right? Yeah. Can you hear a kiss on me?
Alright, I actually just jot my thoughts down. You know, I don't want to get too far off track, so I just jot down some things. Alright, first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for, you know, exposing me to this day. It's a fascinating day. It's something that I had imagined a long time ago. And I am delighted to be here. Beyond the beauty of the environment or the beauty of, you know, our outfits and the faces, they're extraordinary, but there's something much more beautiful and we can see sitting right before us. Well, you just have to imagine it. Right. So I'm gonna go into what I had, you know, jot down. This event marks a day of true miracle. For me, miracles are everywhere. and they're anything that God is involved in. God has blessed two beautiful people with the company of each other. And today, I'm just joyful that I'm here to marvel at this moment. Another thing I must mention is how grateful I am having been exposed to Deanery's spirit. Our spirits effortlessly fed into each other's, and I got a feel of who she was just being in her environment, being around her, listening to how she speaks about things in life and so on, and we connected. So there's something magical about the spirit, and when it connects to you and other people, it's just simply amazing. So I look at the newly wedded couple, and what is most obvious to me is not two young people in love. What's profound is two majestic beings, irrefutably connected at a spiritual level. That spiritual connection, has led to this very moment. Today is also proof of faith and trust. I just want to celebrate you guys. I pray for you, I prayed for you, and I still pray for you. I cheered you on, and I still cheer you on. I remember once I just happened to see Deanery and Jason in the parking lot at Progressive. And we were excited, we're always excited to see each other. But you know, we were super excited, and she brought down the window, and I'm like, oh Deanery, it's my baby! And I ran over. But instead of embracing her, I ended up embracing Jason, and it was just so natural. It was just so natural. I think I probably just frightened him a little bit because he wasn't expecting it. But you know, I love her so much that the love pours over to you. Yes, man. So, continue to build each other. Continue to be led by things that are greater than yourselves, both of you. Continue to feed each other's spirits. Enjoy the journey you decided to begin. Much love and cheers to you.
Okay, hi guys. I didn't intend to come up here, but you know, I feel like it's sort of one of those things that kids say. It's my cousin, for those who don't know. She's my older cousin, by the way, but I always act like I'm the oldest one. So yeah, me and my brothers, we act like we're older than our no uncle. Yeah, we're the teams. But anyways, I love you so much. And you already know that. She was my maid up on my wedding, and it's just so interesting that I ended up being yours. Remember that day when they come over and we were just talking randomly about getting married? And I said, oh, you're going to be maid up on her. I wasn't even like proposed to yet by my husband for it. So it worked out. And I love you guys. I love you both. I love what you stand for. You know that already. Especially the journey that you guys are on the same for us. You're trying to do more natural stuff. And I love that you guys are leading that charge and being so strong even with your wedding. You know what I mean? About not folding so much to the norm or tradition, but standing in who you guys are. And I love that. You're leading the charge, like I said, you know? So respect to you guys both. Love you very much and wish you all the best. You already know that. Love you.
Dee, my cousin-in-law, and my new cousin-in-law, calling my bro. I must say, yo, it's an absolute pleasure being here today, bro. Like, I wouldn't miss this here for the world, trust me. And I'm just happy that, yo, all we can say today, as we did wish for, are just happy faces, smiles, and people who just want to be in the moment with you guys, you know what I mean? So this last song that I'm about to do for the evening, it's actually one of the first songs I wrote long time ago, and I wouldn't imagine that I would be here singing it for you guys. So this one is very special for you, you know? Yes. you wear the hurt crown, and I love the way you fight for me, baby. Y'all can take center stage. You give me every reason to breathe, and I work for you like you work for me, and I love you like you love me, and I work for you like you work for me, and I love you like you love me.
You got this.
Oh yeah, yeah. I give you my love, yeah. Be a king, and you'll be my queen, yeah. No nothing can tear us apart, 'cause I love the way you fight for me. Oh, you give me every reason to breathe. Oh, yeah. And when I close my eyes, it's you, yeah. It's you that I see, yeah. You're always on my mind with you, yeah. I feel complete, just know my love is real. Like you want for me, yeah. And I love you like you love me. Baby girl, I'ma be your warrior. Call me anytime, I'ma let you love. Ooh, like you love me. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. Blessed up to you both, guidance and protection and Jah.
Give me two lines right here, facing each other. Give me two lines. Come on over, darling. Come on over. It's the afternoon. Right, over here, right, over here. Yeah, sit right here. We need one more to balance it up. We need one more to balance it up. Alright, I'm gonna balance it up because I can do my thing. Okay, come on. Alright, so bride and groom. No, back here. Hold on, back here. Let's switch it around because the bride and groom you have to go last. Okay, so bride, you go the groom. Turn it around. Let the bride and groom go, yeah, at the end. Alright. You're balancing it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, good. So this is what is gonna happen. It's a soul train, alright? So you along with him, you with her, you and her, and then the bride and groom last are gonna go on, alright? So you're gonna come, dance me to the center, and then do your thing and go down, okay? Hey, come on, cheer them on. Turn up, hey. Do your thing. Alright, then go down. Next up. You ready, mommy? Show them your arm. Hold on. Pull. No. Mommy, you know say we are more than that. Come over here, son. Come over here, son. Mommy, show them where the root comes from. This is an Afrobeat, African, so you have to show them the root, the motherland. You ready? DJ, chop it. Come on, mommy. Come in, mommy. Hey, mommy. One more. Yeah. Come on, cheer them on. Go on, show some love. Yes, come on. Wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Bowen. Watch the box move. What a road, boss. What a road.
Congratulations to Jason Bowen and Daregha Duncan Bowen, who got married yesterday in Trelawny, my beautiful cousin there. Awesomely proud of you, and I wish you both all the very best and all the happiness that you can think of.
Of Africa movements. More life, more love, more strength, more togetherness.